where I'm going. Ta-da!
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine, no friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros. On some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the fake.
Morning everyone. I'm taking the new brown line to my office today. It's supposed to be quicker, but I am so late because I am so lost. I have completely no idea where I am, where I'm going. I'm just like aimlessly walking, trying to find the bus stop. So it's already 8:34 and I start work at 8:30. I found the bus stop. It's just like a morning walk. Giving the new line a second chance to me. I do think that it's quite fast, but it's too early to say because I'm still not at work. I'm so full. I just had a meeting in Chinese and I'm literally dying.
심지어 그거 영상들을 보고 나서부터
Good morning everyone, welcome to another episode of Adulting Diaries. It is a brand new week, it is a Monday morning and I am feeling great. So I actually plan to film a what I eat in a week video this week because I know a lot of you guys miss it. I've been getting a lot of comments asking me to bring it back. And to be honest, I haven't been filming it because I have been really lazy to cook. So I actually plan to film it this week. I really made up my mind to film it. I set up my camera last night. I charged all my batteries just to ensure that I don't have any excuses to not film it. But I think it's not gonna happen because I'm off to a very bad start. I didn't film my breakfast. I tried to film, but it's just such a gloomy day today. And I feel like for my what I eat in a week videos, I like them to have a certain aesthetics that is not gloomy. Like I like it to be sunny and bright. So when I tried to film this morning, I just felt like I don't like the footage at all. So it's not happening. Another thing that I want to show you guys is this. Ta-da! My sister came over last night and she brought us flowers. Flowers. She didn't buy them. I'm not gonna give her credit for that. But yeah, she brought us flowers and we were so happy. She said that she didn't expect us to be so happy over the flowers, and I told her that which girl doesn't like flowers? I mean, I guess, you know, we don't really express it very often, like we love flowers or whatsoever, but it's always nice to receive flowers, I feel like. Especially this sunflower is so cute. It puts me in such a great mood. They just look so pretty. I feel like flowers are really expensive here in Singapore, so unless there's like a special occasion, people don't really buy fresh flowers. Best time of the day is when it's time to have a Misfit bar. Exciting package. I've been waiting for this for the entire day. But not really. It's only 12. What is that? Wow. It looks so nice. Okay, so I actually did own a Canon Mini X before, if you watch my videos, but the previous one that I got was dented like here. Oh my god, it looks great. Oh my god, I love it. I want to talk about my new camera, but I am so busy today, so I think I'm gonna chat with you guys tomorrow instead.
all starts from within. The drive to pursue inspiration and ideas.
뭐라? 신령한 화고. 그러니
예?
아니, 네가 내 부부인이라면서.